I just realized that I have not connected with my Persian princess tonight. Hey, baby girl. Hey, Sierra girl. I had to turn off the fan in the refrigerator so you could hear the beautiful night sounds. But is this the picture of contentment or what? Look at this. She's just so content. Hey, baby. Hey. Hey, baby girl, you. You, sweet girl, you. Sweet girl, not going to disturb her. Get her riled up. But look at this. She's just so precious. The precious Persian princess. Now, I used to call her the Malaysian princess because we found each other in Malaysia. Oh, look at those whiskers. So she is the Malaysian princess, but more truly, she's the Persian princess because she's a Persian and she loves to purr. The Persian princess. Yeah, baby girl. Oh. Constantly got to clean these eyes. Yeah, baby girl. Oh, you sweet girl, you. Okay. All right, so I have got one more hole to go to finish this round. Just refresh my tea and back to disc golf.